Well, that's enough plank to get me across my bridge. I know I pre-measured. That was more planning than I'm usually accused of. This range road sawmill, this is the 5032, which means that it's got a 32-inch cut on it, if you can believe it. And it's got a twin cylinder motor on it. Like, it is a beast, man. Anybody that says you can go too big has never ran one of these. This is awesome, absolutely awesome. I gotta get this out to the job site out where my bridge is being built, but it ain't happening today. The sun, she's starting to go down.